Hello friends, welcome back to another video. It's Bless and Annie. I'm here. How are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing fine. So today I'll be doing a TEMU haul. I was introduced to TEMU. I've been seeing the adverts, but I never took it seriously until Grace Adelegon sent me the link and asked me to, try them out and all that. And I did. So these are some free items I got from TEMU. Yes, I bought about 4 items and 3 of them were free. I had to pay for just one of it. So I'll be showing you guys the items I got and I'll be telling you the price of the one I paid for. So now the question is TEMU worth the hype? Well, let's see. I was kind of disappointed with one of the items here, but I think I will give them some credit. But I don't know what to do with the one that go bad, So let's just do the unboxing and let's see what we have. So guys, this is the spice rack I got, and unfortunately one of them was broken on arrival. Yes, so I felt so bad about it. I was like, wow, is it that they couldn't package this thing in such a way that it will not get damaged on the way, or what? Yes, you're giving me a free item, but bringing it broken doesn't make sense. And now I don't even know how to reach back to them to tell them, oh, one of the spice jars was broken and all of that. But it's okay. I'm going to still use the remaining ones and still put my spices and use them in my kitchen. So this is the only challenge I had. So I'm even contemplating. I don't know if I'm going to buy breakable stuffs from TEMU anymore because this one came broken. So let me know you guys experiences or experience. Have you bought from TEMU before? Did you have any problems or challenges or broken items like mine? All right, guys. So this is my kitchen scale. This was actually the only item I paid for. I got this kitchen scale for $18. Every other item, they gave it to me free of charge because that was my first time of buying from TEMU. So I got those free items. So I really love this kitchen scale because it's very handy and very necessary in the kitchen. If you're someone that bakes and, follows recipes, you would love to have a scale in your kitchen. So I just like the look. I like the color. I like everything. And I tried it, put in the battery and everything was working. So I'm glad it came in good condition. At least I feel glad about this one, So guys, this is a laundry basket, like a laundry bag for putting your dirty clothes before you wash or clean clothes after you wash, however you wish. So I got this one actually free of charge. So I will let it, I will keep it for my husband to set up because all these kind of setting up things, I don't always like doing them. I always keep them for my husband to do. So he will do it when he comes back. So this looks good. From the picture I saw, it looks good. I just pray that by the time we fix it, everything would, come out fine and no parts will be missing. Okay. So let's unbox the last item. Okay, guys, so this is a um an oil dispenser that I got, and it looks so beautiful. It's just for dispensing tiny tiny bits of oil for your pancakes or your eggs or whatever. I just love how beautiful it looks. So now I'm wondering, this one was well packaged and didn't come broken, so why didn't they package my spice jar the same way they packaged this one, so that it doesn't get broken on transit? I don't know why, but I really love this oil dispenser. It's so beautiful and it's very easy to use. So guys, these are the prices of what I bought. I told you I paid for just one item, but I got three items free of charge. So the item is $18 and the other ones are free. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Bye.